We are back up at the Outhouse shower house build. As you can see, it's November the 14th, I believe, today. So a little bit of white stuff on the ground. It was minus 10 this morning, which is Celsius. A little bit chillier than last time we were here for sure. So yeah, a bit more snow, maybe 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches in some places, but it's of course it's a beautiful sunny day too, a little bit of wind. But so today we're gonna work on the platform what you sit on to go to the bathroom in the outhouse. So we'll get going on that. All right, so we measured our old outhouse, the height of it, and the wife says it's 15 inches to the top, right? Okay, so we'll have to make the platform 15 inches up. And I don't know if you can see, I dropped a carpenter pencil in the pit, but it's too deep to get it, so that's the first load in there, I guess. Ha 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 ha. So anyway, yeah, so we're gonna make the platform 15 inches tall, and I forget how wide this is, and we're going to put the seat on one side of it here, because this is the straightest edge of the hole and the deepest, sort of from here that way. Stay out of there, dog. So that's what we're going to do. We'll start going on that, and we'll show you the progress as we go. All right, I had to take a stud out here, well, part of it out. So I got another one over there waiting to put back in there. But to get this plywood in, because it's going to go on the inside here, and there's just not enough room through the doorway here or that way to get the, it's 89.25 inches wide. So anyway, I'm going to get this thing installed, the plywood. Okay, I got the first piece of plywood up. Got it all screwed in. There's that double stud, because I cut that one out to get the sheet in here. It's the only way you get it in here unless I cut the sheet in pieces. So, and everything's going really slow because I brought my super old Milwaukee impact, and it is slow. I forgot my other one at home. Oh well, it looks similar, but this one's much older. It's probably one of the first ones. Should be left in a museum or something. I think it's so old. But anyway, so now we're gonna start to frame in the platform that you're gonna sit on when you do your business. So that'll be up next. So I'll probably run some excuse me, 2x material up in the corners, I think. I'm gonna frame out and go this way and run the sheeting right from the inside here up, and then we're going to put a metal roofing or something on the inside there, so when you happen to pee that way or something, it won't go into the wood, it'll go into the metal and run down. And same with this back side, we're going to put some metal on here too, just some roof cladding or metal cladding, roofing, whatever, just so it goes down and doesn't soak into the wood. It'll last a lot longer and it won't stink as bad. So we got canned mousse mixed with some mayonnaise and I think a bit of ketchup in there. The cans or jars of mousse I did, and some ham mixed with some mystery. What did you put on there? Oh, mustard and mayonnaise. I have it with crackers. Bit of a late lunch. It's kind of cold today, so coming in to have a bite to eat. Boy, did that weather ever change quick. A bit of a blizzard going on here now. Oh well. That's what it is. It's winter time. It does that. It snows. Oh well. Glad I got the roof on this thing anyway. So, I think it's hot chocolate time. Looks like a hot chocolate time. Yeah. Boy, it's just blowing out here. If you can see the trees swaying. Even the power lines are swaying back and forth. Holy smokes. Wowza. Okay, well, like I said, I think it's hot chocolate time. Whew. Well, the blizzard cleared up. Had my hot chocolate. And now it's back to work. So, got the front board on. And I got the sides. So in case anybody's wondering what the measurement is from the floor to the top, once the plywood's on top, it'll be 15¼ inches. So from the floor to the top, and then the seat sits onto that. So I guess around the 15 to 16 inch range is where you sit. So according to my wife, she says that's the perfect height for her. So, which is good. Just got to screw them into the joists. A joist on the front here, and then I put some blocking on the sides. So I'll screw that into there. And then in each corner, I'll have a 2x2 that's screwed. And then on the back edge here, all the way across from one end to another 2x2 or 2x4. And the same with here, on the top edge all the way across and on here. And then figure out where the holes are going to be and just put 2 braces there. So that's when the plywood sits on. It's not springy. That's something to sit on. So got to get back at it, and I'll show you when I'm done. So I don't have any 2x2s, so I have to make my own 2x2s. So I'm going to rip them on the table saw here. There, that's the 2x2. Remember I had said previously in the beginning of this that I had rescued a bunch of lumber that was abandoned at an old mill, and there was tons of these 2x4s that were 4 feet long, and I guess they use it for strapping in between the rows or something like that. So they've come in really handy just for short little pieces you need. Very handy. So very thankful for that. So now I'll go install these things. Well, I married a Dutchman. Look at my wife. Did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
She put some tuck tape on the oar, and she got the pencil that was in the pit. Oh, what a Dutchman. Awesome. We saved the 75-cent pencil.
It works.
It works. So, trick of the trade, anybody wants to know? You got an oar or something lying around? Just get some tuck tape, show the end there, and wrap it around, and then wrap around the other way so the sticky stuff is sticking out, and poke that down to whatever you're trying to get, and it sticks to it, and up you come. Imagine if it was something heavy, it wouldn't, but yeah. Thank you.
Saved it.
Saved us $1. Woo!